Get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah.
What's up, YouTube family? It's your girl DeeOnTheBeauty, back at it again with another tutorial. And today we are going to be reviewing and using the Playing Your Makeup by Yolondo Jamrock Palette. This is what the palette looks like, and I'll be showing you guys again in the video. This is the inside of the palette, and I will be showing you some swatches in a minute, and we're gonna get right into this look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look using this palette, then definitely keep on watching. So again, this is the palette that we use for our eyes today. It is Playing Your Makeup by Yolondo's Jamrock Palette, and this is how the palette looks on the inside. I absolutely love this palette. I kind of thought she was joking when she said it's about the most pigmented palette on the market, but she was definitely not joking, you guys. These shadows are extremely creamy, and my palette is a little dirty because I already used it a little bit, but these shadows are extremely creamy. It comes with a mirror up top, which is very useful when you're doing your makeup and you don't have to look in a mirror. The palette already comes with a mirror. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch some of these shades for you guys. It is extremely neon, so if you love neon shadows, this is definitely a palette for you. She does have more palettes that are neutral girl friendly as well, which I will probably be reviewing later on as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a few shades for you guys. So the first shade I'm gonna swatch is this blue shadow, and it is called Colors. This color that I'm doing is called a Carnival, and this yellow, like, I mean, look at that. That's already a bomb color combination, you guys. And she also has a black called Bam Bam, so we're gonna go ahead and swatch that next. And look at the black, like, wow. And this green color is called Vibes. They kind of put it right on top of the pink, but you can kind of see how those colors already flow together so well. So this palette is definitely extremely pigmented, and I did put it on top of my P. Louise base, but no matter what base you use this palette on top of, I can guarantee you those colors are still going to show as if they are straight out of the palette themselves. So without further ado, let's get into this eyeshadow beat using Playing Your Makeup by Yolondo's Jamrock Palette. So let's do it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell to know the next time I upload. And let me know down in the comment section below what other products you would like for me to review. Whether they're eyeshadow palettes, foundations. Just let me know in the comments. And I will make sure to go ahead and grab those for you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!